Hello and welcome back to COUNTERSKETCH by your side, episode number 4. Today in this episode we will create bespoke jewelry through the freehand parse. So now as you can see we are in the main screen where you can see all the different categories that we have for COUNTERSKETCH, but in one of these categories we have what we call the freehand parse. So in prior episodes we have been showing you how to change the designs that you can find in the COUNTERSKETCH library, but we also have what we call the freehand part, where you can have different parts, and all these parts are dynamic, meaning that you can change also width, thickness, stones, shape, and you can put them all together. We have this option because this allows to our customer to reach a higher level of personalization when it's time to make your customers' designs. Let me show you just an overview of this category. So if I want to make, just say, a cathedral ring, but just for what I want, what I can do is go to Shanks, you see, and in Shanks we have all these parts that you can choose from, and all these parts are dynamic, meaning that you can change anything. We can also go to the new parts. This is where we keep adding the new parts every month, or here where we have mix and match. And let me get this one. So I will get this one and I will start to design. There we go. So we already have here a shank with accent stones, and as you can see, we can change anything that we want, as we have seen in prior episodes for COUNTERSKETCH. Okay, so we can use the same settings, the same sliders that we were showing you in prior episodes. What I will also do, so I will go here and I will use a ring rail guide. The reason I want a ring rail guide is because I want to know where to place the setting. So as you can see now I have a ring rail guide. So once I place a setting, I want to be sure that I'm not going below the ring rail size. So now what I want to get is a setting. So we have plenty of settings. We have like 3 different pages with settings and halos. If I go to the top view, you can see that this is a piece that we can put around our setting. So we have many complements where you can change also the stone size, everything, to just nail what you are looking for. So let me go to this view, and I will go to the first screen, and I will select this one, and I will start design. So now I'm loading it into the viewport. Now I will go to the front view because I want to just place it in the right spot. So let me just select it and let me move it. There we go. And now again, because the setting is selected, I can make any change that I want from this panel where we have all the different settings. To start, I want it in 6 close. So there we go. Have it at 6 close now. Now I will go, maybe, let me see. I like the dimensions. Even I can change stone shape, stone size. I can change anything. If I would like to have, I don't know, let's see, what options do I have? A pear shape. I will be able to go to a pear shape and everything will recalculate for the pear shape. Okay. Actually, I like this one. Let's gonna keep this one. So now I need to get this shank closer to the setting. So what I will do is go back to the shank, and we need to look to all the different settings that we have and look at this. Here we have a slider that is saying shank top profile position. So I will get it closer. That was the other way. So I will get it closer to the setting. This is too much, but what I will also do is click on the cathedral option that I have in the Sheng. So now I get it higher. Okay, so I will move this like this. I want it closer to the setting, and probably what I will have to do is just move it a bit down. And now even a bit more closer. And a bit higher. Until I reach the second rail from the setting. So I have here a place where I can solder it later on. All right, so now we have two bars. What I will do next is I need a bar here to create the bridge. So I will go back to adding bars, and here we have wire rope knots. And I just need a piece of wire, so I can, not this one, need just to be a plain one. I think that this is a plain one. Yes, this will be perfect. So I will start with this one. From the top view, I will just turn it to here. Now I will move it up to the top. And now I need to make it a bit wider. So we will go from here and we'll do something like that, not that much. All right. Height is okay. And now the only thing that I need to do is just click here. So I can make it longer to match the curve that I need. Okay, so like this is okay. Because now if I click again here, what I can do is just adapt it to this side. It was this one? Yes. And there we go. I want to be sure that it's just placed in the right spot. Okay. And now, let me go to the perspective. Now what I can do is just a mirror on the other side. So now we have this nice design. And we can keep adding parts. So we have many parts. We have, I don't know, we have a lot of scrolls also that we can use. So if I go to the scrolls, we can use any of those. Let me see. I can use maybe this one. Let's see how does it looks like. So I want just to add it here. First, I will turn it 90 degrees. And then from the front view, I will just place it on the right spot. I will make it smaller. Okay. And now what I can do is use the quad. So I have it everywhere. And there we go. We have something totally personalized that can be now part of your library, and you can use it anytime for your customers. So this is good to have it because then you have the option to help your customers to get what they want. So it's something, bring it in, so everything recalculates, and there we go. So this is something that you can keep adding parts in front of your customers, so you achieve something that it's totally different. Your customer will be happy because they will have one of a kind piece of jewelry thanks to this parametric and dynamic parts that we have in COUNTERSKETCH, so you can achieve any result. Any time that you want, you can tell from the different options that we have what metal do you want. You see, between to switch primary and secondary metals. So then you can start to apply different colors to your design. So now this part is in yellow. If I want this also to be in yellow, probably I need to come here and say that this need to be, if I switch it, so now it's also in yellow. So I have the whole ring in yellow and then the setting in white. All right, so I hope you like it, the freehand parts for the episode 4, and thanks for watching.